Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. What we do in life echoes in eternity. To become a bigger person, walk into a bigger vision. You can, you will have faith in yourself. The word you has power in it. Just believe in yourself and dream big. Do not give up on your hopes. Follow your heart, but take your brain with you. If you are struggling, that means you are progressing. We cannot direct the wind, but we can adjust the sails. Simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. You are happy in your life as long as you are content. You cannot find peace by avoiding life. Do not regret growing older. It is a privilege denied to many. Don't be chasing people who don't appreciate you. Not everything has to mean something. Be careful whom you trust and tell your problems to. If you have nothing nice to say, say nothing. Memories are for moving on, not for holding on to. Life is a great story that someone ruined with the truth. Life is short, live it. Love is rare, grab it. Anger is bad, dump it. Fear is awful, face it. Memories are sweet, cherish it. Life is a good thing. I suggest you get one. There is always a wild side to an innocent face. Life will become much easier when we will finally understand which hands to shake and which ones to hold. Be thankful and proud of the struggles you have had in your life. They shape you in the person you are today. They will light your life in the darkness. Your actions will take you to the top notch of success. Just keep working on your goals. It will create the path to success. The secret to success is constancy. Stick to your purpose and work hard. Otherwise, success is just a dream. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.